What's going on, Gunners, YouTubers, subscribers? Big 40 in the house. You hanging it?
No.
Yeah, I know, hanging it. We working today. All right, today we're gonna do some more prepping on the interior. We're gonna have a lot of fun in here. I can't wait to peel off the tape on the Kobe short block. I can't wait to see how that transition from like that silver machine look over to the purple. But yeah, another productive day. Another day of grinding. Another day of prepping to build like the ultimate EK. So just sit back, relax, make sure you like the video. As you're watching right now, like the video. Like as you come in, like. That one we clean it, we paint it. Keep gunning. Alright now. Alright guys. Alright so alright guys. Yep, alright guys. Alright, so okay boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
40 starting on the dash right now. We're applying the acetone. Let me see the rag. Show them how dirty it is. Look at that. Lifting all that dirt up. Yup. So we're going to acetone this maybe about 2 times. Then we're going to prep it. And then we're going to acetone it again. And then we're going to paint it. But I'm going to peel off that tape right now. Oh man, baby. Moment of truth. I've got a 12 and a 14 in case for the bolts that I tightened up. Let's see, how do we take this off nice and neat? Start at the top here. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on home. Come on home. Ooh, okay. First one. I take the life out of this. I take the life out of this one, boys. But good thing I let it dry for a couple of hours, basically overnight. Because now the chances of us damaging it is unlikely. Really cured in there. I hope the lighting is good. I'm gonna throw this on the ground for now, since I got the camera on. Cut this guy right here. Let me check the angle on this. How's the angle look, boys? How's that angle look now? Okay. We're dealing with it. We're going with it. Man, this motor's going to look great. I got some titanium stuff too on the way from Vane Engine Stands. They're starting to get into titanium. So that's going to be fun. I spoke to Frank Downstar also. He's going to help out with some like firewall plugs and purple. So I can't wait to see how that all looks. So basically the theme under the hood, while I have you here, is going to be, you know, yellow, purple, and black. Everything should match. Everything, you know, God willing. Oh man, this is looking great already. This is looking great already, guys. Let me get you a different angle, boys. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You never really know how important prep is until you mess up. You know what I mean? And you'd be like, oh man, you know, if I would have took just a few extra steps of preparation, I would have been good right now. But
You like that happy? You like that good?
yeah, maybe maybe that's fine.
You got 3 paper like that.
3 like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's it?
Yeah. Yep, for now. Give me a second, alright? Let me just finish taking off this tape on camera, and then I'll give you the next step. Because you weren't here yesterday. Well, you were, but you left early. Because you go to sleep at like 9 o'clock at night, or even earlier. Get a nice little angle for my gunners. Don't worry about it, I'll pick it up later.
And what?
Yeah, don't worry about it. Give me a nice angle for my boys here. Oh yeah. These were dummy bolts that I just put in. Because I had some. Because I wanted this look without doing the extra taping stuff.
Hey, Kobe!
Kobe! Oh, you missed. That's because you said it's a Kobe. You're just supposed to say Kobe, bro. Oh, man, guys. Come on. Come on now. Look at that finish. Woo! That came out nice. It took about 2 hours to get this thing ready, man. But so far, it's been worth it. Look at this. This looks so good. Took that old filter off I used as a dummy. Put this guy on here. This is gonna look nice. Fresh OEM filter. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Come on, guys. Come on. We're looking like something here. We're looking like something. This side, I took my gloves off. Make it look easier. Make it easier. And actually grab the tape because it's hard to do it with the glove on. Yeah, that's gonna look good right there, boys. That's gonna look good. Trust me, I tried taking off the stud. Trust me, it was not happening. So I left it on before I could do any damage. Wow, look at that, man. Come on. That looks great. How's the view? How's the angle? Good? My man.
What, he clean it on water or paper?
You clean it with water.
On water?
Just keep scuffing it, bro. All right, here. This is the part I was waiting for. See how good I taped. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. How satisfying does that look? Ooh. Not bad. Not a bad tape job there. I know this is probably not too exciting, but to me right now it is. So what do you guys think? How'd that come out?
Don't worry about this right here, this little overspray on purple. I'm going to clean that up with some scuff stuff.
But I love it, man. I love it.
I love the way it came out. I like it, man. Let's check out the other side. So basically, like as you see it right now, the motor's going to stand like this, right? So it's purple. And then we've got the 4-piston cylinder head on that real clean silver. And then we've got the intake manifold in black, and then the spacer is going to be this same color. And don't worry about the oil pan, it's just a dummy one. I'm going to buy a fresh one. So I love it. I love the way it came out. But let me know what you guys think, man. How do you like the block so far? All done, gunners. Everything is painted. Every single thing. I'm missing that one vent where it have like you know, the power mirrors and whatever, the dimmer. I can't find it nowhere. I'll find it though when I start putting stuff together. E-brake is done. This came out great. Came out great. Got all our panels finished like we spoke about yesterday. The block's finished. Looks great. So I gotta run to Sasong They took the windows out of Kobe, and I also got to pick up the new diffusers. The two-piece diffusers came in today, so finally get to see those in person. Let's get to that. Let's get to the body shop. This color's hard. Nah, Blanco, this color's hard. What's up, Blancos?
Yo,
How's everybody doing? How's it going? How's it hanging?
It's hanging. To the left. A little to the left.
I'm gonna go check out the hatch. Here we go. Mi gente! Sugar. ¿Qué pasó? Oh, wow. You working? Oh, okay. I thought you working on my boy. Hold on. All right. Carlito, what's up, brother? How you doing?
Hey, what's up, brother?
Got the windows out. The shop had a glass guy come and do them. So $300 in and out. So took them out, and then when it's time to put back in, they'll put them in. $300, you can't beat that. So it's 4 windows. They are difficult to take out, especially the hatch one. So the windows are out of Kobe, and I'm pretty sure they're gonna start real soon on bodywork. Ben's supposed to come by tomorrow and weld those plates up. Let's try this again. So diffusers are finally here. These are the 2-piece ones for all the guys that have, you know, basically license plate frames in the middle of their bumper. These go on the side. EF, CRX, some of the RSX, you know. Let's see how it looks. Oh, that's nice. Alright, so one side says keep. The other side says gunning. Let me just get this wrap off of it. Bear with me. Bear with me, boys and girls. Bear with me. Let's not scratch nothing. Okay, stick that guy there. Stick. Hey, they package these well. I only have these available in silver right now. We got to figure out the drop date. Maybe we'll drop them this Friday. Okay, here we go. You guys ready? Okay, so one side says keep. 2-piece diffuser. That looks real good on camera. And then the other side, obviously, says gunning. How you guys like the 2-piece diffuser? Comes with hardware. We'll post them up on the website. Appreciate your patience for these. Real good material. 6061 aluminum. Laser cut. Beautiful. Keep going! Give you guys a little better view of them. I love them. Came out great. I love this part right here. Love it. Mick loving it. Well, guys, I'm concluding this vlog, man. I've got a few things to clean up around here, but we've got some good progression going on. We're moving forward every single day, and that's the best part about this build. I hope you guys are learning. I hope you're soaking in knowledge. This vlog should teach you a lot also. So, yeah, man, we're just progressing. Every single day we try to accomplish a goal. I put it in my head and I try to obtain it. That's the same way all of you should be moving. You should set a goal for the day. Don't say, hey, I'm going to put my motor in and make it turbo and tune it and go to the racetrack in the day. Take small goals. Small goals. Make them your B word and then go from there, man. We're all progressing. You guys are applying all these methods that we're doing and everything that we're teaching you on this channel. You guys are applying it. You look great doing it, first of all. You look great. You look extra handsome. Something about you. It's maybe your eyes, pause, I don't know. You look great doing it. But you guys keep prospering, man. You keep gunning, bro. Nothing's going to stop us, man. Not this pandemic, not negativity, nothing, bro. Stay at it, man. Stay at it. Make the day your B word, bro. I love you guys, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share. I'll see you tomorrow. Keep gunning.
Bye.